Hey people, Jay here and welcome back. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, my husband is cleaning some rooms around the house. Normally he cleans on his days off from work. This gives me a break from cleaning. For those that are new here to my channel, I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom of 4, 3 away, and 17-year-old is still at home. One of the rooms that gets consistently dirty is our kitchen, so my husband began cleaning there. Although my husband and I clean differently, I am so appreciative of his help. On my channel, I do cleaning, hauls, and DIY projects. If that's something that interests you, be sure to subscribe. So while washing the dishes, my honey likes to dry and put up the dishes. Now me, that's where we're different. I will leave the dishes in the dish rack. Which do you do? Do you put up all the dishes after you finish washing them or during the time that you're washing? Or do you do like me? Leave them in the dish rack. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. While washing the dishes, my hubby likes to play a game such as Song Quiz with the Alexa device. Shout out to my honey who agreed to do this video. Although it was about 9-10 o'clock in the morning, it was very humid. So I wanted to showcase some of the things that my husband does to help around the house. I am so blessed to have someone who believes in helping. So my husband is using the gloves from Grow Collaborative. I will leave a link in the description box for those who are interested. In addition, I will leave last week's video a Grow Collaborative haul, including these gloves. This is something that my honey and I can agree on. We both love a clean sink. I think that my husband did a wonderful job. Now the bathroom is my least favorite room in the house to clean. Hubby to the rescue. Yes, people, my honey washes his clothes and irons them too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to leave me a like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.